Hello and welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. My name is Gino and today we have a 2015-2016 Audi A3 Saloon in for a heater motor. This is what we're going to be replacing here today, as the one on the car has fouled. Due to the complaint was that the air coming out the vents was only coming out in one direction. It wasn't coming out the front demister and at the bottom to warm up your feet. It was only coming, the air was only flowing through to the center vents and it wasn't changing direction. And when diagnosing, we found that this to be the culprit. So let's get on and replace that component. Come on. To do this, the 5F unit has to come out with radio keys. Got to be pulled out. Then the glove box has to come out, where there's like bolts, one there, one behind the 5F unit. Side panel has to come out, and there'll be a bolt, 8mm bolt holding the glove box there, and then a couple underneath. Then disconnect all these plugs, making sure that they all go back in the same place. Right, as you can see, the glove box is out now. Taken the 5F unit out and disconnected all the plugs. And here's the motor, the old motor that has fouled. So we are going to replace it with two T15 bolts holding it in, and the plug. Once that's out, you can replace it with the new one, and then you have to run a basic setting after. Yep, the motor's now boxed up, the glove box is all back in, it's all been basic setted, and the car problem has gone. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.